Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of latch. Spring-loaded door lock that can only be opened from the outside with a key. Door latch. Catch for fastening a door or gate. A bar that can be lowered or slid into a groove. Fasten with a latch. Latch the door.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.